Hi beautiful lovelies, welcome to my channel. You're welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, I'm Stephanie and you're welcome to the space. To my returning subscribers, hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this clove butter and clove oil. This clove butter and oil is very good for the hair. It helps to thicken the hair, makes the hair shine, makes the hair healthier. So yeah, if that's the video you want to see, let's get right into this video. Welcome back. So I'll be showing you guys what I'll be using for this clove and rosemary butter and oil. So yeah, we have rosemary here, and then we also have clove here as well. So I'm using the dried rosemary just like I showed you, and then clove as well. So I have extra virgin olive oil here. This will be the carrier oil I'll be using today, and then I have this measuring cups I'll be using to measure out the size of clove and rosemary, and then the oil we'll be using today. Okay, so I will just measure out the size, the amount of clove I want to use. So I want the clove to be bigger, like to be more than the rosemary. So I'm going to measure this two of these, but it happens that my clove is finished, so I had to like use everything. The second cup didn't really get filled as the first one, but yeah, let's just call these 2 cups, right? Yeah, so this will do. Then I'll go over to measure my rosemary. Like I said before, I'm using the dried rosemary, so I'll just measure out 1 cup to 2 cups of clove with this particular measuring cup I'm using. Yeah, so this is it, and then this is both of them, the clove and the rosemary. You can do more, you can do less, depending on the amount and the quantity you're making. I'm making this because I want to give it to someone, let's say a client. Yeah, I want to give part of it to someone. Reason why it's let's just say I'm making it for someone and for my own use as well. So yeah, this is it. I'm putting it into my grinder. So this, you can grind it 2 ways. You can add your olive oil here, which is your carrier oil, to grind it. You can grind it dry. I like grinding it like this because I have a dry grinder that can grind it very well for me. So if you don't have, you can actually just add your carrier oil now, blend everything together. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? So yeah, this is how it's looking now. So now I'll go over to like put this into a container. I will use just like a airtight container. This is just to like mix it with my olive oil, which is my carrier oil. This will just help the clove and rosemary to infuse very well into the oil. Some people actually go ahead to like do it like quick, just put it on fire, stir fry it for some time, and that's good. But me, I like going through this process of just leaving it for some days. Like I left this for a week plus, even up to 2 weeks. It depends on how you want to do it. You get how you want it, but the only thing here is just to infuse the rosemary and clove into the olive oil. Is that understood? So yeah, that's just it. I'm just trying to stir it to make sure everything is mixed together. So if you're leaving this for some time, that means you have to be shaking it every morning or in between the days. You just shake it very well to make sure that everything is being infused into the oil. So yeah, if you've gotten to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video, okay? Join this growing family, please, and thank you so much for subscribing and supporting this channel, okay? So welcome back. This is like 1 week plus, or even up to 2 weeks. If you notice my pain, my nails has changed. So that means it took like, I think 1 week plus or 2 weeks for this. So this is how our oil is looking like now. Our clove and rosemary is looking like now. Can you see that? You see the color of the oil has really changed. So I'm going to be using this sieve, this cloth sieve, just to like separate the oil from the shaft. Yeah, so we've gotten all the nutrients we need for this. So I don't think we still, I don't know, I don't really use some, I think some people use the shaft or something for something else, or maybe still infuse it or blend it further. But me, I've gotten the nutrient I want, so I don't need that. The only thing I'll try and do now is to make sure I squeeze out the oil very well, like to get everything I want from it. Yeah, so just watch me do it. So I'm just trying as much as possible to just squeeze it out very well, to get everything out, to get my oil out from the clove, from the clove and rosemary we don't need. So this is the shaft that we don't need, and then this is the oil we got. Can you see that? I'm just trying to stir it to show you how much the oil, how much the clove and rosemary has infused into the oil. So I'll set that aside. So because we are making butter, we need shea butter. Yes, this is ori, like generally known as ori in Nigeria. I think the Igbo part call it ekume, Yoruba call it ori, right? Yeah, I think I'm right. So I'll just melt this. I'll show you guys how I'm going to melt this, but yeah. So I used like, I think 300 gram. I didn't really measure it, to be honest with you guys. Just use your head to know. I just use my head to know like this will be enough for me, because I've been making this before now for my hair, so I know amount and size I use for the measurement I use. So yeah, you see the way I just boiled water, dropped the plate inside. I didn't pour the ori inside, I just dropped the plate inside, so it can easily melt that way. As you can see, like I'm showing you now, you just drop your ori or ekume or shea butter inside the hot water. That will do it. So I'll go over to pour it into the clove oil, the clove and rosemary oil. Meanwhile, if you see at the back, I've removed the oil we need. I'll be showing you guys later. So yeah, I'll also add castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil into it. This is optional, but because I've been adding it, and for more nutrient, you know, castor oil is very good for the hair as well. It helps to thicken the hair, it helps in hair growth. So yeah, why not? You can add other essential oil if you have. I don't have any at home for now, so I just decided to make do with the ones I have. You can add coconut oil, you can have you can add a peppermint oil, tea tree oil, anyone you want to. So yeah, I just wanted to make it that way. So I went over to cover it with cling film and then kept it in the fridge for some time to solidify this way. Not too strong, please, just make it a bit solidified, just like so. As you can see, my hand can actually press into it, easily press into it. So I'll go over to put it into my whisking bowl to whisk it now. Yeah, so that's just what I'm doing right now. We're going to whisk this to make it into a butter. Sometimes I leave it like this too. If you want it like a cream, you can leave it that way, but we are making butter, so we have to like whisk it to mix it very well to turn it into a butter, just like I am doing now. Can you see that? Are you seeing the way it's going? Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? So you can just keep whisking it until you get your desired consistency. Yeah, so I am perfectly okay with this. I'll be using this container to put my, this is 400 gram. Yeah, so one is for the person I want to give it to, for the client I'm making it for. Yeah, so let's go ahead to put it into the container. This is very easy to make. Clove and rosemary is a very good source for the hair. It helps to thicken your hair. It helps for the scalp, and it will also help to the hair to be healthy, shiny. It's very good for the hair. Okay, so yeah, this is what we got. I got 2 container from the butter, and then I got 3 bottles of the oil. Just like you're seeing the bottle, I just had to put it into those drop bottles, so you can easily just take it and use on the scalp for the oil. Yeah, so these ones at the front is for the person I'm giving it to. For my clients okay, let's just say for my client I'm giving it to. Yeah, so this is it. This is our clove butter, and that is our clove oil. The oil is just easy. Just remove from the oil before going over to make it into butter. It's that simple. So thank you so much. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Okay, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for your support once again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.